You might think plants are silent. They don't scream, they don't whisper, and they definitely don't gossip, right? Well, what if I told you plants do talk, just not like you think? Because somewhere beneath your feet, in forests, gardens, and even in your houseplants, there's a hidden communication network that's more complex than you can imagine. For centuries, we thought plants were passive, just sitting there, growing slowly, quietly existing. But modern science says otherwise. When a caterpillar starts munching on a leaf, the plant knows. It reacts by releasing chemical signals into the air, kind of like a green distress call, warning nearby plants. I'm under attack. And guess what? Those neighboring plants hear the message and start preparing their own defenses. This isn't magic, it's chemistry. Plants release molecules called volatile organic compounds, VOCs. These airborne messages can warn others of danger, attract predators to eat the attackers, or even signal when it's time to bloom. Some scientists call it the scent language of plants. For example, when a tomato plant is attacked by caterpillars, nearby tomato plants detect the airborne chemicals and start producing toxins before they're even touched. That's preemptive defense. Smart, right? But communication doesn't stop in the air. Beneath the soil lies an even more mysterious network, the wood wide web. Through symbiotic fungi called mycorrhizae, plants exchange nutrients, share warnings, and even support each other. When one tree gets sick or loses sunlight, neighboring trees can send it nutrients through this underground web. In forests, mother trees even feed their young seedlings through these fungal connections. It's basically a plant version of the internet, but older, quieter, and way more organic. And here's where it gets even crazier. Some studies show that plants might even respond to sound vibrations. For instance, roots tend to grow toward the sound of running water, even when no moisture is present. And when scientists played recordings of caterpillars chewing, plants started producing defensive chemicals, as if they were being attacked. So yes, they can hear in their own strange way. Plants communicate through chemicals, electricity, and fungal networks, but not to make small talk. Every signal serves a purpose, survival. It's not emotion-based communication like humans, it's pure biology. But it shows that life on Earth is far more interconnected than we realize. When you walk through a forest, you're not just surrounded by trees. You're walking through a massive, ancient, living conversation. So the next time you touch a leaf or sit under a tree, remember, you might not hear them, but they might be talking right now. Because in nature, silence doesn't mean there's nothing to say. It just means you're not listening closely enough. This is Thinkverse, where the universe lives inside your mind.